Buying a home in Texas, whether it's your first home or your 10th, the process can feel overwhelming, but that's where I come in. I'm Rob Barton, real estate agent with Fort Worth, Texas, and I help buyers like you navigate the process with confidence and get the best deals possible on their dream homes. Today I'm going to walk you through the key steps of buying a home in the state of Texas. But don't worry, I'm going to keep it simple because the best way to get all the details personalized to you is by booking a free home buyer consultation with me, where I'll break everything down and help you get started the right way. So let's dive in. Step 1, find a realtor you can trust. Before anything else, you need the right real estate agent by your side. Now how you pick it's up to you. You can look at reviews online, or you can get someone that you know who knows a great agent. It's up to you. But buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you're ever going to make. This is not a time to work with a rookie agent or your part-time cousin that just got their real estate license last week. A great realtor understands the local market, pricing trends, negotiation tactics to protect your investment. The difference between a top agent and an inexperienced one can mean paying thousands more than you should or losing out on your dream home. I personally make sure that you're educated, protected, and always a step ahead. Now this step is also where we're going to do our in-depth buyer consultation. I find out your timeline, whether it's this year or next week. We go over what you want, the budget, finances, types of homes and areas you like, and much more. But what we end up with is a plan, a detailed timeline. Buying a home is a series of steps, and I'll ensure you complete them in the right order and not waste your time. This is also where we input your criteria into the actual MLS, not Zillow, not Trulia, not Realtor.com, into the actual MLS. So you're going to get homes that you like and the homes that you want sent directly to your inbox so we can look at them in a timely manner. Step 2, get pre-approved. Before looking at homes, you need to know what you can afford. A lender is going to check your credit, your income, your debts, and determine what price range or loan options that best fit you. But how much do you actually need up front? The lender will also give you a detailed breakdown on all closing costs in order so that you know what to expect and how much to bring to the table or how much to save. So here's a breakdown of some common costs. Down payment. Everybody thinks you need 20% down, but you can put as little as 3 to 5% down. VA loans and USDA loans are 0 down. So don't get stuck on that 20%. Think about 3.5 as being the lowest. Closing costs, typically 2 to 5% of the entire home price. So if your home's $200,000, your closing costs could be $6,000. That covers lender fees, title fees, county fees, lawyer fees, and all the other charges that we're going to have on a long list for you to look at line by line before we close. Getting pre-approved makes you a serious buyer, and you'll avoid wasting time, and you'll avoid looking at homes that you can't afford. The bottom line is you can't put an offer on a home without a pre-approval letter. So you need lender recommendations? Don't worry about it. I got your back. I'm a one-stop shop. I got 2 or 3 that I can give you right off the bat. Fill it out online. Boom, we're pre-approved. Step 3, showings, or I like to call house hunting. So this is the fun part, of course. We now have your budget, and we're going to start searching for homes that meet your needs. Texas offers everything from new construction homes to historic homes to condos to townhomes, or you can buy a ranch. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want, as long as it's in your budget, we can go look for it. I'm going to help you narrow that search down, and once we find some homes that you like, I'll schedule a private showing, and then we'll go see those homes before they're gone. Step 4, making an offer. So we found the right home for you. It's time to make an offer. So here's where strategy matters. I'm going to analyze the market trends and the comparable homes in the neighborhood. and I'm going to see about the seller's motivation. I'm going to talk to the other realtor, and we're going to craft the strongest offer possible. We're not just throwing out numbers, we're negotiating like pros to get you the best price and terms. This is also the time when you'll be signing a ton of paperwork. No worries, just total transparency of everything that's going on in this transaction. From realtors' compensation to consumer protections to HOAs to inspections. There's a ton of paperwork. We got to get it all signed. And the offer is actually part of this paperwork too. But I'm going to explain every one of them in detail, so let's not worry about paperwork too much. Number 5, home inspections and negotiations. So, once your offer is accepted, now we go into an option period of like 7 days. It can be up to 10. So this option period is where you're protected. So let's say there's something about the house we don't like in that 7 days, or maybe you just get cold feet. We can pull out without any obligations or repercussions. All right? So that's what the option period is. So we're also going to order a home inspection to check out for any hidden issues. Now note, the home inspection is going to be one of your out-of-pocket expenses that you're going to have to pay. It's usually between $400 and $600, depending on the square foot of the house, or it could be more if you have a well or if you have a septic tank, etc. So this is where many buyers get nervous, but don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the findings of the inspection. We're going to negotiate with the sellers to get repairs or credits that benefits you, and we're going to keep this thing moving forward. Unless it's just a money pit, and then we're going to pull out. But you're not alone in this process. I've got your back the whole way. So, number 6, the appraisals and the loan approval. So your lender's going to order an appraisal to confirm your home's value. That's another out-of-pocket expense that the lender's going to charge you. And the appraisal is usually around $300. So the appraiser's going to go out. He's going to tell you how much your home is worth. And then that's what the mortgage lender is going to give you. As long as everything checks out, your loan moves to final approval. During this stage, it's important to avoid any big purchases or changes to your credit. So no new cars and no new furniture just yet. Let's wait till we get done with the buying process. I tell my clients, during this 30 days, we don't do anything out of the ordinary other than buy food and buy gas. That's it. We don't apply for no credit, no cards, no nothing. You just never know with mortgage. So we talked about all this. This is a 30-day process. So the time you get your offer accepted to the time you get your keys is usually 30 days. So the first week is paperwork, inspections, and offer acceptance. And the last 3 weeks, it's all mortgage underwriting. So we're just waiting on them. All right. Let's get to the last step, I believe. Yes, the last step. Number 7, closing day. This is the big day. The big day is here. You'll sign all the final paperwork, which is a ton, so stretch your fingers. We're going to the title company, and we're going to sign a lot of paperwork. The loan gets funded, and then you officially get the keys to your new home. So, at the closing, I'll make sure everything goes smoothly, and all you have to do is celebrate. So I'm going to take care of everything for you. Make sure your house is ready. We'll have your utilities already transferred over. We would have done your change of address. All you got to do is worry about moving in. And I've helped some people move in before too. But anyways, and that's it. Now you know the key steps to buying a home in Texas. But this is just the starting point. Every home purchase is unique, and having the right guidance can save you time, money, and stress. And that's where I come in. So if you're thinking about buying a home, let's set up a free, no obligation home buyer consultation where I'm going to break everything down for your specific situation. There's no pressure, just expert advice to get you moving in the right direction. I told you, this is a plan. It's a project. And we have to talk about it. Once we come up with a plan, we'll start executing. But we're here to help you out. No obligations. All right. So please, if you could, drop a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Texas real estate tips. Also, we have a very nice Home Buyer's Guide. If you would like that sent to you, just comment Home Buyer's Guide in the comments, and I'll make sure that you get that right away. We'll send you the, we have it on the Google Drive, so we'll just send you the Google Drive link. And this 7-step process that we just talked about, it's in real small details on this buyer's guide. So feel free to use it. And other than that, I think that's all I have for you guys. So until next time, Rob Barton out.